Hey, it's Drew Bennett from Ben Spark Family Adventures, and occasionally I'm sent books for free so that I can review them. I was sent this book, Leonardo's Science Workshop, for free by Quarto Publishing, and they sent me this as part of my Read to Me Dad review series, which is a series that I help out parents to find books for their kids that the kids might enjoy and why they might enjoy them. Now, Leonardo's Science Workshop is an incredible book. I was blown away by this book because I'm I Leonardo da Vinci is just like amazing in what he was able to accomplish in his lifetime, especially in the time that he lived in and the things that he could create and how his mind worked. He kept notebooks upon notebooks upon notebooks, and I believe we only have uh, like a fraction of the actual notebooks that he used. And you could see in the notebooks where he would be writing, he would write with both hands. He would write what's called mirror writing, so that you could actually only read the page if you held it up to a mirror, and he would write in his left hand because he liked to write with his left hand, and he'd write like backwards. So it was like you could read it in the mirror. This is how like his brain, it seems like his brain had no separate distinctions. Everything crossed, and that's how he approached science and art and math and design, and all that sort of thing is in this book, which is great because it's awesome for kids from ages 9 to 12. They're going to enjoy doing the different experiments that are inside here. There are some really cool experiments in here. Experiments on electricity, buoyancy, gravity. What I found that I really liked here is this one, to create a dragonfly. Okay, so you use like paper clips and you create the wings of a dragonfly. Here, paper clips, rubber bands, like all these different things to show kinetic energy and potential energy, and then how a dragonfly, studying how a dragonfly would fly and the wings would fly. Also art, so looking at dragonflies and getting inspired to create the wings of the dragonfly and how those wings would look. This whole book is filled with different experiments that you can do in the classroom, that you can do at home, and they will help your kids learn the different aspects of science and math, technology. Just like overall, it's incredible. And the book was written by Heidi Olinger, and she's the writer and founder of Pretty Brainy. It's a 501c3 nonprofit organization that creates STEAM service learning to inspire and prepare girls to innovate, problem solve, and lead in the 21st century. Like their whole website, prettybrainy.com, has some great ideas to get girls interested in science, and she's done a lot to do that. While this book is not specifically for girls, it's for boys and girls, it's for any kid who is excited about science. It's just an incredible book. It retails for about $22. You can find it on Amazon.com, and if you do, I'd appreciate it if you go through our Amazon affiliate link. It's in the show notes below. It doesn't cost you anything extra and helps out the show. Now, this would be a great book for your science-minded child or STEAM-interested child for the upcoming holidays. So take a look at it. Check it out. There's just so much in here that is amazing. One of these things is really cool is blending chemistry and art. Okay, so you're like creating something outside, a ground painting and perspective, but then what you're painting with is actually baking soda, and then you spray it down with vinegar, and it creates an art piece that's like starting to decompose and move, and it's really, really amazing, the different examples and projects that are in this book. So if you're interested in science, your kids are interested in science, ages 9 to 12, take a look at Leonardo's Science Workshop by Heidi Olinger, and you can find that below. I'd like to thank Quarto Publishing for sending me a free copy of this book so that I could add this to my Read to Me Dad Reviews book series. This is Drew Bennett from Ben Spark Family Adventures. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter as Ben Spark, Facebook.com/Ben Spark Family Adventures, and you can find me here making videos all the time. Thanks for watching.